filtering on 2 fields but only 1 index. That's what compound indexes solve. To create a compound index in MongoDB, use db.collection.createIndex and pass an object where each key is a field name. Set the value to 1 for ascending order or -1 for descending. So db.orders.createIndex with status :1 and created at :-1 tells MongoDB to index status in ascending order and the date in descending order, all in one index. The part most beginners overlook. Field order in a compound index is critical. MongoDB uses the leftmost prefix rule. This means a query can only use the index if it references fields starting from the leftmost field. With an index on status, then created at, filtering on just status works great. But filtering on created at alone skips the index entirely. Always design compound indexes around the actual fields your most common queries start with. Compound indexes shine when queries filter on one field and sort on another, avoiding costly collection scans. The trade-off: every insert and update must maintain the index, and each index consumes additional disk space. Create them only where your query patterns genuinely need them. Call createIndex with an ordered multi-field object. Set 1 or -1 per field, and respect the leftmost prefix rule. Follow for more MongoDB interview prep. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.